Does passivation remove material? It's one of the most common questions we get, and the short answer is no. Not in any measurable way. Passivation is a chemical process that enhances the natural corrosion resistance of stainless steel. It works by removing free iron and other surface contaminants, not by etching or stripping away metal. Unlike electropolishing, which removes a controlled layer of surface metal, passivation is purely chemical. It doesn't change part dimensions or surface roughness. To give you an idea, electropolishing may remove 0.0001 to 0.0003 inches of material. In contrast, passivation removes material at a molecular level, essentially negligible. That's why passivation is ideal when part geometry and tolerance need to remain untouched, but corrosion resistance still matters. Need help determining whether passivation or electropolishing is right for your parts? Contact New England Electropolishing today.